So, you guys, after Sne Mseluku went to that podcast where she ridiculed her family in an attempt to expose them, leaving her father, Mseluku, very much disappointed and heartbroken. People felt like Usne is really being selfish, spoiled, and of course entitled, and they decided to call Usne a very lazy lady because it seems like she was blaming everyone in that family for her laziness and is very jealous of her young siblings. You guys, apparently Mseluku once told Sne to be serious and work hard because if she doesn't, she will one day be very jealous of her siblings' success rather. And people have quite stated that Mseluku was actually right because now Sne goes out on podcast and ridicules her siblings, and after what she did to Mpilo, stating that Mpilo doesn't want to talk to her, people were quite to state that, okay, Utata Mseleku was right about you, Sne. And people who watched Utando Nestembu from season 1 have stated that Sne has been given a lot of opportunities by Mseleku, but she threw them away, you guys. And apparently these are some of the opportunities that she has been given but chose to just throw them out of the door. Someone wrote, Sne has been given so many opportunities, suing school and TVET, but she didn't go most. And then Bonolo says, a job and a whole house. Someone wrote, driving lessons, high ngeke, and an allowance each and every month. Also, she was offered a job in one of her dad's businesses, but she didn't pitch. Well, there you have it, guys. What are your thoughts? Please do share them with me in the comments section. And of course, don't forget to subscribe if you haven't yet done so. And also make sure that you share this video so that it reaches a lot of people. Guys, thank you so much for actually clicking and deciding on watching this one. I will definitely and surely be seeing you on my next one. Bye.